guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Trip. Today we will be roaming around in Manticao Market.
No, Manticao as well.
We're going Taiwanese. We're going Taiwanese to buy the.
By what?
You know, for the washing machine.
You said we use plastic. What we have?
Yeah, plastic, no? You can huge.
Yeah, they selling anorexic chickens.
So it's
This
breast,
is
but it's nothing really like.
breast, chicken breast without a breast. Anorexic. It will be 6.
I think it will not enough. Napumilaing breast. Di ka nang
All this part of chicken are
ba, malaman.
super small. Eggs are decent size. And of course you can't buy normal onion, only these little things. No more to buy some else, buy good ones and leave the rest. So don't buy it, just buy this and go somewhere else. Go see more. Oh, very small shop. Okay, buy smelly fish, like everywhere in Philippines. Favorite thing. Dry fish, all different shape and sizes, from big one to me. No, thank you. Just looking, sir. Very smelly part of the market. Unbelievable smelly. And this is fresh meat. No, not me. My wife is buying. I'm just looking. Where is my munchkin? Disappear again somewhere. Yeah. I don't think I will find her now. She just ran away from me. My runaway wife. First she asked me to film it, but then she disappearing. So I'm now lost husband. There's firewood. So this is our vegetable. This is called carrots. Very good state of it. I don't mind the look of it, but size of it is all so small.
So small, though.
Can't believe it. I never see in London small carrots like
Always
that. No?
big.
Yeah, gigantic compared to that. Small people have a small carrots. This is double pepper. This is bell pepper?
Oh, yeah.
That's why this is different type. That's why skin is so hard on it. Lots of vegetables. Yeah. And this is red peppers. No, just looking, sir. Thank you. Just looking. Thank you. Just looking. Very small. Some lemoncito, darling.
Namoy limoncito?
Because we have only one left. And this is lemoncito, what I'm using instead of lemon for my tea. Quite nice, quite nice.
Plastic.
This is onion. You can't get any bigger than that. Mini onion. You can't get white onion, Spanish onion, like what we
I
call.
found a bit big. Always is so small.
Yeah, they're a bit big. Oh, he ran away from you. You see, he didn't like you. My wife went inside shop, which is very small and hot, so I better stay outside. She's going to buy some mushroom, but not proper mushroom, only in the can. And flour. But it's not easy task in this town to find the flour. This shop, there's strict policy on mask. You have to have it. So I better wait outside because before they arrest me. This is type of vehicle what we're planning to buy. Last time we couldn't because it was mess with the bank, so we were embarrassed to return to the same guy. So hopefully maybe next week our banking will be solved, will be done, our problem solved, so we may get again access to our own money. But it's very, very strange. I think we are in the worst bank in Philippines. We have to change it.
Hi guys, every afternoon this shop is full of
Yeah, it's
students
full of
having
children.
a snack because it's cheap. They can eat a robin, they call that one, or something like a meatballs.
Ah, meatball. Make from which animal?
Veg ball or something.
Ah, okay, it's always
Only, the price is only one per peso.
1 peso?
One each per peso.
Okay, 1 piece 4 peso. Very cheap, so kids can afford it.
Some cold gulaman.
It must be no bad, these things, because they are still alive.
Yes.
Still coming every day, so must be okay. So maybe we can try, no?
And there is a lot of badja. This kind of tricycle.
Yeah, we are on square, main square.
This is in the main square, yeah. We're in the main square.
In
Small
Manticao,
town.
in Manticao Metropolis.
Smile, YouTube channel. Yes.
Every vehicle is grossly overloaded. I even seen 5 people on one motorbike, what is amazing. Small motorbike. Really? Okay. Yes, darling. Back home. This is calamansi and very poor looking carrot. This is anorexic chicken breast. And we changed the bulbs, so it's a bit brighter in our house. And we have now, we're burning our rubbish. This is the custom here, having custom. People do that because it's no any service. And we put light in our altar for Holy Mary. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's alright. Slowly, slowly, our place is getting better. My in-laws came to visit us, and we're going to have little beer tonight. Again. And this is my best friend. Chichai. No, it's not. I can see your face. Go this way. Oh, like that. My best friend Chichai. My girlfriend.
Girlfriend na Chichay.
She's embarrassed when I say she's my girlfriend.
My uncle, no?
Good night. See you next day. Munchkin, say good night.
So guys, this that is for today, and see you next time. Next time vlogging. You want it there?
Oh, like that is better.
Like that.
Yeah, I've been.
Okay.